Welcome to a ScribeShadow tutorial video. In this video, we'll show you how to start a translation in advanced mode. Switch to advanced when you want direct control over translation setup instead of the guided, simple workflow. Advanced mode separates metadata, glossary, characters, chapters, proofreading, and export into their own tools. The advanced dashboard is your launch point for book-level work. Check readiness here before translating, then use the action buttons or quick links to open the specific task you need. Click Translate when you are ready to configure a book-level translation. This opens the setup screen where you choose the source version, target language, model settings, and cost options. Choose the source version carefully. If you proofread or edited the original manuscript, select the version that contains those changes so the translation starts from the correct text. Choose the target language for this translation. Quick Setup can accept more than one target language, which is useful when you want to start the same standard translation setup for several languages. Quick Setup shows the recommended translation behavior for the selected target language. Use it when the defaults fit the book and you do not need to tune individual settings. Open Adjust Settings when you need more control over one target language. Fine-tune settings are handled one language at a time, so use Quick Setup for multi-language starts and adjust settings for detailed control. AI model affects translation behavior, speed, and cost. Use the recommended model unless you have a specific quality, budget, or language handling reason to change it. Quotation style controls dialogue punctuation in the target language. Some languages have one standard dialogue style, while others have more than one, usually two. ScribeShadow recommends the style that fits most books, but you may want to check books in your genre before changing it. Additional Quality Pass runs an extra proofreading style pass after translation when it is available. Use it when you want more polish before reviewing or exporting the translated manuscript. Character Analysis gives ScribeShadow more context about names, relationships, pronouns, and formality. It can improve consistency in languages where character relationships affect wording. This section tells you whether a glossary scan has already been run for the target language. You can run and review the scan manually, which is covered in a separate glossary tutorial. You can also check the pre-translation scan box to have ScribeShadow run a new scan automatically before this translation starts, or leave it off and translate without running a new scan. The footer shows the credits required for this translation and how many credits are available. Use View Details when you want the cost breakdown before you continue. When the setup is ready, Review Translation turns blue. Use it to continue to the final launch step, where you confirm the translation before work begins. After translation work starts, Processing Status shows work that is queued or running. Use this panel to see which chapters or support tasks are still active and when they started. Switch to Completed when you want to review work that finished successfully. Completed items confirm that the task finished and the results were saved to the book. You can remove old notifications after you have reviewed them. Switch to Failed if something stops before it finishes. Failed items show where work stopped. Start by reading the failure message instead of guessing what happened. Click View Error when you need to understand why a task failed. This opens the message ScribeShadow saved for that failed item. Review the saved error message before deciding what to do next. In this example, the message explains why the task stopped, suggests retrying first, and includes the support code to send us if the failure repeats. That's it for this ScribeShadow tutorial video. You're ready to use the advanced translation workflow. Continue with the next tutorial when you're ready.